Welcome to Finish Strong, your trusted partner for commercial property inspections in Nashville, Tennessee. Are you a real estate investor or property owner looking for reliable information about your commercial property? Look no further. Investing in commercial real estate can be a significant endeavor, but without the right information, it can also be risky. That's where we come in. Our thorough and comprehensive inspections provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. At Finish Strong, we specialize in commercial property inspections. We ensure that every property we inspect is thoroughly evaluated, leaving no stone unturned, so that you can accurately assess potential risks and opportunities for effective capital management of your property assets. Our inspection covers all aspects of your commercial property, including heating, cooling, plumbing, mechanical and electrical systems, the roof, exterior elements, life safety components, and more. We often fund issues like deferred maintenance, physical damage, poor installations, and systems nearing the end of their service life. Our inspection reports are not just comprehensive, they are also easy to understand. We provide detailed reports on your timeline, complete with photos and descriptions, to help you visualize the condition of your property. Ready to take the next step in safeguarding your commercial property investment? Contact us today to schedule your inspection. At Finish Strong, we're dedicated to ensuring success in your business venture.